Okay guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use camera effect on WhatsApp. You want to do a voice call, or you want to do a video call, and you want to enable the camera effect. How do you go about it? So what you need to do is open your WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, the next thing you need to do is hit straight away to the settings, which by click on this your three dots, then click on your settings, then scroll or you see your privacy here, click on the privacy, then scroll down. Also scroll down, you're going to see allow camera effect. Click on allow camera effect and click on continue, and this is it. You have automatically allow and enable your camera effect. You can use it on both your camera and your video call. So if you wanted to do any video call, just go there, click on the video call, upload a picture, and you'll be able to use the effect. Very easy and now very okay. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.